Hello everyone, I'm Miao. Welcome to my channel. How realistic can 3D print get? I'm in Shenzhen now, a south city of China, so-called futuristic city. The new 3D print store just opened here, the first of its kind in China. And it's not just a store, it's how to say it? It's a 3D printing playground, so you can try everything by yourself. So let's go and see together. Yeah, what can we do today with the 3D print? I'm so curious. So many brands. I'm lost already. Look at this, so beautiful. Oh, it's not just the water, it's also a screen. Wow, this is Shenzhen. And the 3D print store there. Bambu Lab. Wow, see? All of this are 3D print. Even the car. All of this 3D print. You can print all of this. This is also 3D print. Oh, this one. Cyber Brick City. Maker World. Wow. So dedicated. I can't believe it's 3D print. Wow. Look at this. The Temple of Heaven. Wow, so real. It's a jewelry box. Oh, you see the label. See, that's the cost, 12 yuan, and the cost of the electric, 7 yuan, and how many hours to print it? 10 hours for this one. Each of them has this label. This one, the simple one. This one. Cost 1 yuan, electric cost 1 yuan, print time 1.3 hours. Oh. Material and texture. Oh, wood. I like wood texture. Marble. Oh. 3D print cars. Electric one. Wow, look at the face. So dedicated. So real. Clock. Oh, I think this one, the vase. Yeah, they are the easiest one. Different shape and very shiny. You see the material cost 1 yuan, electric cost 2 yuan, print hours 2 hours. Easy one, easy job.
网上会有很多的这种重力的知识 ，OK， 但是你们只是负责这个打印端，建模端就
Do you know this game?
建模端因为现在市面上有非常成熟的工业类的3D 建模的软件了，生态很成熟，没必要花钱再去做这个，而且我们兼容他们的文件就可以了，就像 Word、Excel 一样，我们也做。
那你们能接入什么类型的格式的在里面选
Keyboard.
你不用连接，你就在这里面让我看一下。
See? Material cost 31 yuan, electric cost 14 yuan, and the print time 21 hours. Oh, and this one only cost 1 yuan. 1 yuan. A pair of shoes.
这里更改，这里都是实时可以看得到的。然后这个就是它预设是白色，就是它整体都是白色。那我改的话也是。
This is very useful, right? Very useful. The cost is 3 yuan. They have the 3D print class. Different time here. You can learn some basic knowledge about 3D print. And this one, yeah, the filament. Different color. They don't call it wire or string. Oh, that's the new word I learned. The filament. Looks like wire, right? Oh, the necklace. Oh, that's for the new year. This one, this cute line, the material cost is 21 yuan, electric cost 5 yuan, and the print time 26 hours. 26 hours, so long. Even the red envelope is made of 3D print.
因为单件儿就是关键你单件打成了。
Oh, the price. These two, they are the cheaper one. See? Oh, this one. This one is the beginners mini. Only 1,000 yuan. See? That's the one I can afford. Yeah, call this store a playground. Maybe, it's a little bit exaggeration because it's not very large, not as large as I think. But it's very funny. And I saw a lot of very dedicated 3D print stuff. And yeah, it's kind of like let me feel I want to buy one machine, the 1,000 yuan machine, 3D print. Very funny. What do you think about 3D print? And do you own a machine like this? And have you ever go to any stores, like 3D print stores? Okay, please leave a comment and let me know. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I have more Shenzhen series for you. Bye bye.